In this session, I'm going to show you how we can record the online class while taking the class and save it in the digital library. I request all the teachers to use the browser version. Type the URL lourmother.decatur.com and log in with the teacher ID and the password. I have taken a login page and click onto the online class schedule. You can see I have already created a schedule here. I'm going to take the link from the edit button. Okay, you have to click onto the edit button. Click onto the edit button. Copy the link. Click onto the copy link and take another browser. Before copying, you have to make this browser to a desktop site. For that, you have to click onto the three dots which is on the right top corner of your mobile. Click onto that. You can see a menu. In that, you can see a desktop site. Click onto that checkbox. Now, you have made your browser to a desktop site. You can see a tick button in the desktop site. Now paste that link to the search or type web address. Now click onto enter. Now you can click onto the join now. Now you have entered the Google Meet. Here you can click onto the three dots in the Google Meet. You can see the three dots on the right side down corner. Right side down corner, you can see three dots. Click onto the three dots and you can see record meeting as the first menu. Click onto the record menu. That ask for consent. You can click onto the accept. Now you can see your online class will start to record. Now the online class started recording. So make sure that you will start the record button before the class starts. Once the class is over, you can click onto the three dot on the right side down corner. Click onto the three dots. Click on to stop recording. Stop recording. You can see that the recording will be saved to the Google Drive. So the recorded file will be saved in the Google Drive. For that, you should have a G Suite. Now you can go to the Google Drive to see the recorded file. Click onto the drive. You can search here by typing Meet recording. Here is a folder Meet recordings. So all the Google Meet recordings will be saved in the Google Drive. It will take a 10 to 15 minutes for the recorded file to be saved in the Google Drive. So these are the few recorded videos which I have recorded previously. So the present recorded video will be saved to this particular file. I will take an already recorded video and show you how to proceed with the next step. For example, I am taking this particular PDS UDAD-QFF. I am going to click onto the three dots again. This is one file which I have recorded previously. The one which I have recorded will take 10 to 15 minutes to save in the particular folder. So that is why I am showing a pre-recorded video. So you can do the same procedure with the saved video which is saved in the Google Drive. So click onto the three dots on the particular video. Here you can see that you have to download this particular video in your file. Click onto the download. You can see one item will be downloaded. This video you have to upload in the YouTube and take the YouTube link from the YouTube, and then you have to copy that in the digital library. This procedure is to be followed to do the same. Now you can see in your files. Click onto the files. You can see the downloads. Now what you have to do is you have to take your Gmail, your YouTube account in your G Suite. So this is my G Suite account. In this you have your G Suite account. You have to upload the video. I am clicking onto the particular upload button. You can see a upload link on the top right side. You can see one arrow is which is pointed towards up. Click onto that and click on to continue to studio. Select file from the files. You can see that file PDS UDAD. This is a file which we downloaded from the Google Drive. Click onto that and you can see that this particular file is being uploaded. Click on to next on the downside and you have to give few details, that is, yes, it is made for the kids. You can see a box. Okay, here you have to click yes, it is made for the kids, and after that you have to click next. Again you have to click next. Here they are asking for the visibility. You should make it public or unlisted. Okay, I am here making it public, and click on to publish button on the right side down corner. Click on to publish. Now your video has been published in the YouTube. Now close this, and you can see the uploaded what all videos you have uploaded. Here you can see this is the file which I have uploaded right now. July 30, 2020. So this is the file which I have uploaded right now. Click onto the YouTube icon, this play button. Click onto that, and you can see the particular record. Now take this YouTube link. You can click onto the field where you give your URL. Just click onto that, copy this URL. Now come back to the browser. Now click onto the digital library. Test. Select a class. Select a subject. Now copy that, paste that YouTube link which you have copied from there. Set an expiry date. Click on to save. Now we can see the last one which I have saved. Click on to that, and the students can view it. So now like this you can record your online classes, and you can save the recorded classes to the digital library. Thank you.